Forum for Agricultural Research in Africa, in collaboration with the Center for Coordination of Agricultural Research and Development of Southern Africa, CARDESSA, and in collaboration with the government of South Africa, especially the Department of Agriculture, Land Reform and Rural Development of South Africa, will be hosting the Africa Agribusiness and Science Week, the 8th edition in Durban, South Africa, between the 5th and the 8th of June 2023. The theme of this year's edition is linking science, innovation and agribusiness for resilient food systems, carefully selected to address the contemporary issues that are beginning to emerge as this continent seeks the transformation of its agricultural system. The African Agribusiness and Science Week will feature several elements and events, including the high-level sessions, exhibitions, matchmaking, lots to be expected from this wonderful event. All stakeholders in Africa's agribusiness and the agriculture ecosystem are hereby warmly invited, including policymakers, funders, agribusinesses, research and innovation key players, civil society, and all are invited, especially our youth and the media, to attend this 8th Africa Agribusiness and Science Week. This will be a unique opportunity for all of us and to be a part of this conversation that is shaping the future of the Africa we want. Welcome to Durban.